Prime, when you want to get your visuals up and you just come back chemotherapy and check in. All girls will have a picky ear. My friend have talent to grow ear naturally with her fingers, with her fragments in her fingernails. Clean. So come and get on the thing good and go in so you can go up on the Pro Max and take on the picture and make a man name fall in love with the new girls. And for the nigga them when I'm a girl, check chemo and transform and make you have a bag of girls instantly. I'm out.
On an exploration across the island, don't miss this history.
So come on and check out this channel. Dual is YouTube channel, where it's all about showcasing Jamaica exotic places, people and things. Don't forget though, to like, subscribe, comment and share. You hear? Thank you.
Wagwan. It's a Jamaican thing. TV fan. Jamaican thing. Do all and all people over there. Barbados to be exact, my peeps. Now we're right in front of Adam Commercial Center, my peeps. Now, this one, right across from Barber. You have the Sisters Sports Bar. No, upstairs is where we're going, my peeps. Upstairs is where we're going. Clean cut. The man is a Jamaican barber, Jamaican hairdresser there as well. Now, people, you don't know once they're. Alright, so this is it. Once they're anywhere in the world, anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere in the world, we're going to show you Jamaican things. You don't know if you're a Jamaican barber there. We're going to show them what we're going. Keep us clean cuts upstairs. Yeah, man, I'm going to show you what time it is. So, stick and stay. If you're not subscribing, make sure you guys subscribe right now. Just comment in the comment section, like and share. Alright. From Adams Commercial Center is right there, right across Sisters Sports Bar. As you guys can see. Now we'll go upstairs. Let's go. Alright, so see G them now. G them there with a cut. Alright, so see the G them my peeps. Scheme alright, let's go. What alright, let's go. Until you're about to start the right thing.
Welcome to Chemo Barbershop, my ugliest person can have a bright with future. That me I tell you. That is it.
Alright, now some people over there, chemo there. I don't know, real Jamaican.
Big up on the 7 bars. One chemo cut, you know. General TP over there, so.
One gun spinner outside and the gun outside.
Upstairs in the bar, on 5th Street, you know.
Right across from Central Bank, you can't miss it.
When you come at chemo cuts down, if you're ugly, all left out with very good looks, like a transformation. You know?
Yeah, I mean.
So I'm ugly, said before, and so see after.
Alright. So if we are going on chemo.
They are going to fix up the boss in there, look more, you know. Well sharp, is it? Active. Clean.
Man, well clean man.
Yeah, man, we have a fight here, this over here, so Devins. Yeah, man. Yeah, shout out.
Do our thing, man. I mean. So, I mean, so gentlemen them can forward, and the ladies them can forward, don't get them clean up. So, I want dolly up and thing, you see it? Yeah, I mean, man. And be well active or busy like this. Yeah, I mean, alright. So what I want? Someone almost finished. Well, clean. I decided before and I'm a peep, so I was showing what I want and man finish. after look. You know what I mean? So no shout out nobody a yard.
Why? Everybody for me done the up here. So,
Oh, yeah.
Nobody live in Jamaica.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I don't know if anybody else want to give them a shout out.
You know what I mean, man? So I go on my peeps see there. Representing the yard, man. You know what I mean? Do you want to shout out nobody a yard?
Really active, man. I think big up my mother, you know, step on the road. You see me, she run taxi. All about the Springfield said, big up my father, you don't know. All about technician, 10 catching. They are going to put the work, you know.
Save someone.
One fed up on the app, man.
You know what I mean?
Hey, man, the whole family do over here. But big up all of and the whole of St. Elizabeth here.
You know, one of them muckers learn that.
Yeah,
One,
me.
one speed, I got speed. You know that.
Me a fence.
Be a fella and a play fence.
Alright, me big. The man says, so I want the dog. Get the ear done. Start pull out and wash and done. Do one thing.
Murder for someone to appearance.
Well, I'm way up God. I wish family them could have had man at Chicago. I'm in the barbershop. I'm back to me, dog. My old man and two to the John boy. See him laying up to me, guy. I say, I'm mad. I have to tell him I killed man to this back and reach down. Yeah, you don't know, say, we do it like this. In Jamaica or overseas, we're always gonna pick a few girls that need to be rat out in the street. Excuse me. I got a good look friend around here I want to say something about. My friend over there is a good hairdresser with that space teeth at first. She will make any dream come true. As long as you have your money and you want to look confident, you check she. She will make you from an ugly, beautiful girl to a beautiful, beautiful girl. I have ugly, beautiful people too. So you understand? Just check Kima upstairs. Good barber and good hairdresser there. I show up our body, don't show the foot, but show up the ass. Yeah. Let out the Kima. Let out the Kima. Yeah! See? One lucky dog when I get a job, Milton in my hand.
Well clean. Sharp. Now guillotine.
This is the place to be.
Yeah, get there, yeah, take it. Yeah? Okay, the alcohol. Yeah.
Shake up. Everybody when I this video did ugly and then come and I left out looking like a different person. Watch your transformation. Yeah man, Octopus you say.
Yeah man.
Active, yeah man. Octopus you say. Octopus
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough, then I show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love
everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough, wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Only video actually and machines on the credit command board working with Johnny Pepper the best. You can't put them in there. That's how I'm sitting up Friday afternoon, so it's fine. Then the black road, so like fried chicken and then we broke down. So, we did it down, we put it in the top. Yeah. Guys, don't wake up. Go to the beach. And I did.
Internet at your use. Just come in and be comfortable like you're at home. Watch old boy like you look young. That's simple badness.
That's the one of my peeps, refreshment there. Same speed. Refreshment there said speed. Jamaican style. And we tingo.
What ball it?
Yes, boss, you see mine.
Yes.
See camera.
You ready now? You see him on the AK over there, so.
What's that? What you buying our review? I see that kind of goodness. Hey, come here. You can't believe this.
Hold on, let me try the button. Which other one? I've got you today. Yeah. So what you never tell me? I'm just a practice. What's that? Who's ready for me?
For them, oh, me did old, but now me young like a little boy. Mother boy. Yeah. This is how the cut work. Come out on the old self if you don't want to look 10 times younger. Brand new. Let's stick off our wrap. Until man, brand new Lamborghini just touched down, man. I made that, you know. Boom, boom. Every girl want to give me a key for the boom, boom. No harder talk did it on me, no time.
See, let me get you know say you're an artist, man.
Hey, I'm up to know so we're artists. I'm trying to look up Grand Spend 6 and Sons on YouTube. One and only video till next year or till the year end. After I done mine, all I baby mother them on my home, I can shoot the next video, so big up on yourself. Look out for your new one. Soon, man. Can't do it and mess up alone.
Alright, cool.
See you free.
Give me a second, think. Look at here, man. Look at here, man.
Not yet. The man got the professional and done. The man
He man a piece, man.
Come on, give me one. Give me one. Give me
Make sure
Give me one.
we're gonna give it peace.
You hear me just go like him man a piece.
All our with peace, you know. Not too much, you said. You see, bonus prime, when you want to get your visuals up and you just come back chemotherapy and check in. All girls will have a picky ear. My friend have talent to grow ear naturally with her fingers, with her fragments in her fingernails. Clean. So come and get on the thing good and go in so you can go up on the Pro Max and take on the pizza and make a man them fall in love with the new girls. And for the nigga them and a girl, check chemo and transform and make you have a bag of girls instantly. I'm out.
Bubble gum. Not the most active.
Mode active.
Yeah, boxing that.
Yo, everyone we got woman naturally take on to the studio.
You come with some fine flat when your woman give.
Because I was full of frustrated. How time you come? Oh. Right? 4:30.
Lie.
I don't understand the year start to do. We have come a long time.
It's not, no, it's not 10:30 that's why it is. So if you done that night,
Someone of you himself.
Yeah, this is one of the other door was 10 times.
do it a man that drink too much juice.
I drink rum.
My video me I put in the island and the mousse.
And you can put the cream beans in it.
No. It's not man.
Huh?
No. When you you could smell it, you know.
You were about to know.
Yeah, work wrong sometimes. Jesus, the price of the catch. Oh, it plug out. Let me see.
Make sure to check out what we call it now. Chemotherapy. Barbershop upstairs. The shop's name again.
Okay, this is bar.
Sisters Bar, yeah. Upstairs. Sisters Bar. Right across Central Bank. Right across from Central Bank. When you go to the place, you know, make sure to check out as a Jamaican. You don't know, as a beach, and you don't check out cleanest spot in that place. No joke. I'm out.